Assalamu alaikum. I have made a playlist on Pakistan's affairs where you will get epic one-liners that are exam oriented. Let's get started. Muhammad bin Qasim was born in 695 AD in Taif, Kingdom of Saudi Arabia. At that time, Caliph of Umayyad dynasty was Walid bin Abdul Malik. Ruler of Sindh was Raja Dahir. Governor of Iraq was Hajjaj bin Yusuf. Muhammad bin Qasim was nephew and son-in-law of Hajjaj bin Yusuf. He attacked Sindh in 712 AD. Muhammad bin Qasim was called back by Caliph Salman bin Abdul Malik. Hajjaj bin Yusuf died in 714 AD. Muhammad bin Qasim died in 715 AD. Next, Delhi Sultanate began on 1206 and lasted till 1526. It comprises of three dynasties. First dynasty was Slave dynasty, which is also known as Mamluk dynasty. It was first Muslim dynasty that began on 1206 and lasted till 1290. It was founded by Qutbuddin Aibak in 1206. Qutbuddin Aibak ruled from 1206 to 1210. Qutbuddin Aibak died in 1210 while playing polo, and he is buried in Lahore. Shamsuddin Iltutmish ruled from 1211 till 1236. Iltutmish moved capital from Lahore to Delhi. Razia Sultan was the first woman empress of India. She ruled from 1236 till 1239. Who is regarded as religious king? Nasiruddin Firoz Shah. Nasiruddin Firoz Shah ruled from 1246 till 1266. Ghiyasuddin Balban ruled from 1266 till 1287. Next, Khilji dynasty started in 1290 and lasted till 1320. Khilji dynasty was founded by Malik Firoz. Alauddin Khilji ruled from 1296 till 1316. Tughlaq dynasty started in 1320 and lasted till 1414. Tughlaq dynasty was founded by Ghiyasuddin Tughlaq Shah. Muhammad bin Tughlaq imposed strict religious policies and he ruled from 1325 to 1351. Ibn Battuta was a guest at the court of Muhammad bin Tughlaq. Next, Sayyid dynasty started in 1414 and lasted till 1451. Sayyid dynasty was founded by Khizr Khan. Lodhi dynasty started in 1451 and lasted till 1526. Lodhi dynasty was founded by Bahlul Lodhi. He ruled from 1451 till 1489. Next, Nizam Khan, also known as Sikandar Shah. He ruled from 1489 till 1517. He was founder of city Agra. Next, Ibrahim Lodi. He was last ruler of Delhi Sultanate as well as Lodhi dynasty. He started ruling from 1517 till 1526.